So student, now comes to the fifth law. Fifth law states if two different rational number are divided and both the rational numbers are having same power, then we have to individually divide those rational number with the same power. Let us see with this example. Here 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 are the two different rational number and the common power is 2. So in the next step, how we have written, we have separated both the rational number with the common power. Here 1 by 2 is having the power 2 and 3 by 4 is having the power 2. So in the next step, we have opened their bracket and we get 1 by 2 to the power 4, we will get 1 by 4 as the result, and 3 by 4 to the power 2, we will get 9 by 16 as the result. So in the next step, what we have done, 9 by 16 is reciprocal and it will come 16 by 9. 4 and 16 will get cancelled out and we will get 4 by 9 as the answer. Now comes to the sixth law. Sixth law states that if there is a rational number having negative exponential power, here the power is minus n. So what we have to do, we have to just reciprocal the rational number and it will make the power positive. So what we have done here, if a by b is raised to the power minus n, in order to make this power positive, we have to take the reciprocal of inner rational number. That is, it will become b by a to the power n. For example, consider here example 1 by 2 is raised to the power minus 1. So in the next step, we have just reciprocaled the given rational number and its power will become positive, where n is a positive number. So in the next step, seventh law states that a given rational number is raised to the power 0. So any rational number, when it is raised to the power 0, then the result will always be 1. Now coming to the exercise, I have solved some of the questions from exercise 2a. Just see how I solve and try to complete this exercise in homework. Coming to question number 1, that is evaluate. First part is 4 to the power minus 3. Here the negative power is given. So in order to make it positive, we have we can write this as 4 upon 1 to the power minus 3. In the next step, what we have done, in order to make this power positive, we have to take the reciprocal of inner rational number. Then we get 1 by 4 to the power 3. Next, what we have done, we have opened this bracket, multiplied 1 3 times and denominator also 3 times, and the final answer is 1 by 64. Next, question number second. In question number second, you can see that there are two rational numbers. Both the rational are same. Both are 5 by 3 and 5 by 3, but they are having different power. And in between those two rational number, multiplication sign is there. So what we have done in next step, 5 by 3, we have written common rational number and their powers gets added. So 3 plus 2 will become 5. And the final answer is 5 by 3 to the power 5. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is 5 by 9 to the power minus 2, 3 by 5 to the power minus 3 and 3 by 5 to the power 0. So, in order to make this negative power positive, we have to take the reciprocal of inside rational number. We have taken, that will become 9 by 5 to the power 2. After that, we have taken reciprocal of this also. So, we get 5 by 3 to the power 3, and what will this become? It is 3 by 5 to the power 0. Any rational number raised to the power 0 will give the 1 as the value. So this will give 1. So here what we get, if we open the bracket, then 9 should be multiplied how many times? 2 times. 5 should be multiplied how many times? 2 times, because its power is 2. So in here 5 should be multiplied how many times? 3 times. So here we have written 5 3 times, and 3 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. If we have written 3 times. So whatever be terms getting cancelled out, we cancel it, and whatever be the left will be multiplied. Here 3 is multiplied by 5. We get 15 by 1 as answer. Next comes to the question 4. In question 4, here minus 2 by 3 is the rational number, is first raised to the power 2, and after that it is raised to the power minus 2. So whenever a given rational number is raised to the power 2 times, then we have to multiply those powers. So what we did in next step, we kept the inner rational number as it is and multiplied the powers. 2 is multiplied by minus 4, we will get minus 4, minus 2 to the power 3 to the whole power minus 4. Now in order to make this power positive, what we have to do, we have to take the reciprocal of inside rational number. So after taking reciprocal, we get 3 by minus 2 to the power 4. This power will become positive. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this 3 how many times? 4 times. And we have to multiply this minus 2 how many times? 4 times. After multiplying 3 4 times, we will get 81 by 16 as answer. Next, question number 16. Question number 16 is 4 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1, and the whole power is minus 1. So in order to make this power positive, we have to take the reciprocal. It will become 3 by 4 to the power 1 minus, it will become 4 by 1 to the power 1, and the overall power will remain minus 1. So after taking this, we have taken the LCM of 4 and 1. 4 and 1 LCM is 4, and we will get minus 13 by 4 as the result, and it is raised to the power minus 1. In order to make this power positive, we have to take reciprocal by using laws of exponent. 4 by minus 13 is the required answer. Okay. Next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is 2 की power 0 multiplied by 3 की power minus 1 multiplied by 3 की power 2. You have to find the value of this. 2 की power 0 is 1 and 3 की power minus 1 is 1 upon 3, and 3 की power 2 is 3 into 3. 3 and 3 is cancelled out and the result is 3. Question number 2. By what number should minus 2 upon 3 की power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient may be 4 upon 27 की power minus 2? So you have to find out by which number this number should be divided so that the quotient may be 4 upon 27. So minus 2 upon 3 की power minus 3 is divided by x. Let the given number is divided by x and the quotient is 4 upon 27. So in the next step, what we have to find the value of x here. So in order to find x, first make these negative power positive. So how will you make? Just by taking the reciprocal of inside rational number. So minus 2 by 3 will become 3 by minus 2 की power 3. And division can be replaced by multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the other rational number. Then x will become 1 by x, and the division sign is converted into multiplication sign. After that, 4 by 27. In order to make this negative power positive, we have to take the reciprocal of inside in. It will become like this. Then x will comes to the right hand side. Here x is divided. So when will it move to the right hand side, it will get multiplied. And here 27 upon 4 should be divided when it comes to left hand side. So in the next step, I have written x equal to 3 by minus 2 की power 3 divided by 27 by 4 to the power 2. After opening the bracket, 3 is multiplied how many times? 3 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. And minus 2 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So we will get as 4 by 81 as the answer. And this is the completion of exercise 2A. Exercise 2B we will start in next lecture, that is on Thursday. Try to complete exercise 2A and learn the concept of laws of exponents. Thank you very much.